Hello, today we'll be doing a quick overview on how to use the debugger for Go in VS Code. The first thing you'll want to do is create a workspace, and right here I have a main.go file, which we'll get into in a little bit. And then go to your extensions, and be sure that you have the Go extension installed because it provides debugging support through Delve Debugger. So now back to our workspace. We can go ahead and open the main.go file, and after installing the Go extension, you'll be prompted to install the analysis tools. After you install them, then we can proceed over here to the debug panel, and then the first thing you want to do is open up the launch.json file and set the program property to the workspace root. Once you've done that, you can go back to your file, which we have here is a program that returns a JSON that contains Avengers. And right here we define 3 Avengers and a function that sets the alive property to true. And as you can see, initially they are not alive. So the first thing you want to do is we can go ahead and set a breakpoint. So let's start debugging. Okay, so here we go. So here you have a call stack, you have your variables section that will show you your variables that you have currently, and then you can step over, you can step into, you can step out, you can restart and stop execution, or you can just continue. So let's step, and then right here you can see on line 41 that you have an Avengers variable. We can go ahead and inspect it here, and there you go. They are all not alive. So here we can choose to either set a value, we can copy a value, copy an expression, add it to our watch section, and then we can just go ahead and continue to print. Here, let me open up my console, my debug console, and there you go, right here. So another neat feature that VS Code provides is the ability to set conditional breakpoints, which right here, for example, if we want to add, a conditional breakpoint for Bruce Banner's planet being Earth. So for example, let's add Avengers 0 dot planet is equal to Earth. Alright, let's just change that to Avengers 0. Alright, so what this is going to do is, let me save it. Okay, so what this is going to do is it'll only stop at that breakpoint if this condition is met. So right now, obviously, it is not being met because the planet is set to Midgard. So if we choose to debug, it'll just run through execution like normal. But if we did change this to Earth, let's save, we can stop and use our debug controls as normal. We can see again our current variable right here, and we can see over here that we are on the call stack in 941. So we can continue by stepping over it, And then there, we reach the end of it, and our JSON is returned. And that's pretty much the basics. I hope this helped you getting started debugging your code with VS Code. Thank you for watching.